Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Confidence, the podcast that gives you real, practical tools to speak English more naturally and fluently. I'm Smith Red Ronnie.
And I'm Enna. And today we are talking about something that has genuinely changed the way people learn languages: artificial intelligence, AI.
Now, if you've been following us for a while, you know we always focus on real, practical strategies. And AI is no longer the future. It's here right now. And it is transforming how English learners can practice, improve, and gain confidence faster than ever before.
In this episode, we're going to walk you through 5 powerful, specific ways AI can help you improve your English fluency. Not in a vague, general way, but with actual tools and techniques you can start using today.
Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, this episode has something for you. Let's dive in.
Before we get into the 5 ways, let's quickly set the scene. Smith, when most people hear AI for language learning, what do they think?
Honestly, a lot of people think of translation apps. Just type your sentence in your native language and get the English version out. And while translation has its place, that is not what we're talking about today.
Right. We're talking about AI as a conversation partner, a writing coach, a pronunciation trainer, a vocabulary builder, all in one. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and others can now hold real, intelligent conversations with you in English. They can correct your mistakes, explain grammar, give feedback on your writing, and even role-play scenarios with you. Think about it. In the past, if you wanted to practice speaking English, you needed to find a native speaker, hire a tutor, or be in an English-speaking country. Now, you can practice anytime, anywhere, for free or close to free, with an infinitely patient AI that never gets tired or frustrated. That's a game changer. So let's look at the 5 most powerful ways to use it. Way number 1, and this might be the most impactful, using AI as a conversation partner. One of the biggest obstacles for English learners is simply not having enough opportunities to practice speaking and writing in English. AI completely removes that obstacle.
Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT or Claude and simply tell it, I want to practice English conversation. Please speak to me naturally, correct my grammar mistakes gently, and help me sound more fluent. And then just start talking or typing if you're using text.
You can pick any topic you want. You can practice for a job interview, discuss a movie you watched, talk about your weekend. Anything. The AI will respond naturally, keep the conversation going, and you can ask it to slow down, explain a word, or rephrase something at any point.
What makes this so powerful is the zero-pressure environment. There's no native speaker on the other end who might judge you or get impatient. You can make mistakes freely, and the AI will help you fix them without any awkwardness.
Pro tip: tell the AI to give you a difficulty level. Say, speak to me at an intermediate level, or use advanced vocabulary. This way, the conversation pushes you just beyond your comfort zone, which is exactly where growth happens.
Way number 2, using AI for grammar and writing feedback. If you write anything in English, emails, messages, essays, job applications, AI can be your instant editor and writing coach.
Here's a simple exercise. Write a paragraph about anything in English, then paste it into ChatGPT or Claude and ask, please correct any grammar mistakes, suggest more natural phrasing, and explain why you made each change.
That last part, explain why, is crucial, because you don't just want the correction. You want to understand the rule so you don't make the same mistake again. And AI is remarkably good at explaining grammar in simple, clear language.
You can also ask it to rewrite your sentences at different levels. Make this more formal for a business email, or make this sound more casual and friendly. AI can show you how the same idea sounds in different registers. That's an incredibly valuable skill.
And the beauty is, you can do this over and over. Write something every day. Get feedback every day. After just a few weeks of this, the improvement in your written English will be remarkable. Way 3, vocabulary.
Now, most people learn vocabulary by making flashcards or memorizing word lists. And while that can help, research shows that vocabulary sticks much better when you learn words in context, inside real sentences and situations. AI makes this so easy. Let's say you want to learn advanced words for describing emotions. You can ask AI, give me 10 advanced English words for emotions. Use each one in a real sentence, and then create a short dialogue that uses all of them naturally. And it will do exactly that in seconds.
Or here's another technique. Give the AI a topic you're going to talk about or write about, and ask it to teach you the 10 most useful vocabulary words for that topic. Planning to discuss technology, climate change, your work? AI gives you the exact vocabulary you need for that context.
You can also ask AI to quiz you. Tell it, quiz me on the 10 words we just covered. Give me a sentence with a blank, and I'll fill in the correct word. This turns passive vocabulary into active vocabulary, words you can actually use when you speak.
And one more idea. When you read an English article or watch an English video and come across an unfamiliar word, paste it into AI and ask, what does this word mean? How is it typically used? Give me 3 example sentences. Instant, rich vocabulary learning.
Way 4, pronunciation. Now, this one requires a slightly different approach because most AI tools are text-based. But there are now AI-powered speaking apps like Elsa Speak, Speechling, and others that specifically train your pronunciation using AI feedback.
These apps listen to you speak, compare your pronunciation to a native model, and tell you exactly which sounds you're getting right and which need work. It's like having a pronunciation coach in your pocket.
But even with text-based AI, you can work on speaking. Here's how. Ask AI to give you a paragraph to read aloud. Then record yourself reading it. Listen back and compare your rhythm, stress, and intonation to a native speaker reading the same text on YouTube or a podcast AI. AI generates the content. You train your ear and mouth. You can also ask AI to explain the pronunciation rules behind difficult sounds. Why native speakers say gonna instead of going to, or how to correctly stress multi-syllable words. AI explains connected speech, reductions, and intonation patterns, everything that makes English sound natural. And here's a technique I love. Ask AI to write a tongue twister or a sentence that contains a sound you struggle with. Then practice it 10 times fast. Fun, challenging, and genuinely effective.
And finally, way 5. This might be my personal favorite. Using AI to role-play real-life English scenarios. Job interviews, doctor's appointments, ordering at a restaurant, giving a presentation, arguing a point, having a difficult conversation at work.
Any situation where you know you'll need to use English, you can rehearse it with AI first. Just tell the AI the scenario and ask it to play a character. For example, pretend you are the interviewer at a marketing company. I am the candidate. Please interview me for a marketing manager position and give me feedback after each answer.
The AI will actually ask you real interview questions, respond to your answers as a real interviewer would, and then at the end, or whenever you ask, give you detailed feedback on your language, confidence, and content.
This is genuinely life-changing for language learners because preparation is the key to confidence. When you've practiced a scenario 10 times with AI, you show up to the real situation so much more ready.
Let's do a quick example. Anna, be the AI. I'll practice asking for a deadline extension from my boss.
Sure, I'm your boss. Come in, Smith. What's on your mind?
Hi, thanks for making time. I wanted to talk to you about the project deadline. I've been making good progress, but I've run into a few unexpected challenges this week. I was wondering if it would be possible to have a 2-day extension. I want to make sure the quality is where it needs to be.
I appreciate you letting me know in advance. Can you walk me through what the specific challenges were?
I appreciate you letting me know in advance. Can you walk me through what the specific challenges were?
That sounds reasonable. Okay, you've got until Wednesday.
And just like that, practiced, smooth, professional. AI can do exactly that for any scenario you need. Okay, so we've covered 5 powerful ways. Let's make this super practical. Here's a simple weekly AI practice schedule you can follow right now. Monday, 15-minute AI conversation practice on a topic you choose. Tuesday, write one paragraph in English, paste into AI, study the corrections. Wednesday, ask AI to teach you 8 new vocabulary words with examples, then quiz you. Thursday, do a role-play scenario with AI, interview, presentation, social situation. Friday, ask AI to give you a pronunciation exercise or a speaking challenge. Weekend, free practice. Talk to AI about your week. Keep it casual and fun.
Just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Consistent practice with AI will accelerate your English fluency faster than almost anything else available to learners today.
Let's wrap up with a quick recap of our 5 powerful ways. Way 1. AI as your 24/7 conversation partner. Practice anytime, zero pressure. Way 2. AI for grammar and writing feedback. Get corrections and explanations. Way 3. AI for vocabulary in context. Learn words inside real sentences. Way 4. AI for pronunciation and speaking. Train your ear and your mouth.
And that's it for today. We genuinely believe that AI is the most powerful learning tool that English learners have ever had access to. And the best part? It's available to almost everyone right now. So don't wait. Open up ChatGPT or Claude tonight. Tell it you want to practice English and just start. The hardest part is beginning, and after that, it becomes one of the most enjoyable parts of your day. We'd love to hear from you. Have you already been using AI to learn English? Which of these 5 ways are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments. We love reading your responses. If this episode was valuable, please share it with a fellow English learner and subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We post every week right here on Speak English with Confidence. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and use every tool available to you. See you in the next one. Bye.